Hot, sticky, and sweaty in your RV? Want to avoid backaches lifting a heavy generator? Now you can start your AC with a Honda 2000 generator. Tired of noisy wake-ups with the AC startup thumping and trailer shaking when it cycles on? Now there's a better, smarter way. Get a SoftStartRV. It's easy to install, it's low cost, and it's great to be cool. If you can only run one of your 2 air conditioners on a scorching day, SoftStartRV lets you run 2 AC units on a 30 amp hookup. The SoftStartRV reduces compressor startup power by an amazing 70%. It's easy to install too, only connect just 5 wires. Here's everything you get. Best price guarantee. Starts an RV AC with a small generator, runs 2 or 3 ACs on a 30 amp connection. You also get a bonus install kit free. Everything you need in the box includes wire, screws, caps, connectors, free telephone and email technical support, free web installation videos, 3 helpful LEDs on the SoftStartRV unit that show start, run, and test, reliable IP65 fully weatherproof and non-flammable housing. It's a 90-day free trial to try it out. Money back guarantee if not completely satisfied. This is the best in the industry, 2-year warranty included in the price. Free 2-day shipping anywhere in the USA, best return policy, free return shipping, no restocking fees on the returns. It's easy to install, uses simple mounting, flange or fasteners, suitable for single phase 110 volt 1 to 1.5 horsepower or 220 volt 1 to 3 horsepower, supports up to 36,000 BTU AC. It's low cost, compact, and lightweight. For a limited time, you get free shipping across the USA, a $25 value, plus a free installation kit, a $15 value. Together, you save $40. Plus, you get a special $50 off discount when you order online today. Get your SoftStartRV and avoid being hot, sticky, and sweaty in your RV. Grab your 90-day free trial money-back guarantee today. Click the Add to Cart button below.